Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to limit the Wi-Fi connection usage in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, we need to bring up our settings. So by that, please navigate to the button search bar and type on settings. Once you have typed it, please proceed with the best matched and click on Open. If you have seen the Open option here, click on Open to continue. You can also press Windows and I key together in the keyboard, I as in eyes, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. Once you are here at the settings, you need to proceed directly at the left side of that. There you can see a list of the options. Please look for network and internet. So click on it. And the moment you do that, you would be able to see a list of the options which are Wi-Fi, Ethernet, VPN, mobile hotspot, airplane mode, proxy, dial-up, and more. So since we're dealing with the Wi-Fi connection, then we need to proceed with the first, which is Wi-Fi, where you can connect managed node networks and metered network. So click on it, and the moment you do that, you would be able to see the connected Wi-Fi that you are currently using. You need to select on it, and the moment you do that, you would be able to see that specific properties. Here you need to scroll down and look for metered connection. So before proceeding on set a data limit to help control data usage, you need to proceed on turning on the metered connection. Okay? In this way, some apps might work differently to reduce data usage when you're connected to this network. Once you're done, please proceed on a data limit help control data usage and this network. So click on it, and the moment you do that, you just have to wait until you are being redirected to this data usage where you can enter data limit. So here you need to proceed with this option below on this one, enter limit, and go with this limit type. So under the limit type, you can click on this down arrow and you can select daily if you'd like to set it into daily every day. You can select it weekly or every week, every month or monthly, or one time or unlimited. I would prefer to go with monthly, okay? Once you have set it, you can proceed with reset every month on. Click this down arrow and you can select in the first day of the month or in the second day, in the third day, and the fourth day, and on the following, okay? So in my case, I prefer to go with one, okay, at the first day of the month. Once you're done, proceed on setting the data limit and type the data limit that you want to go with. I'll be setting it 10 gigabyte. So we need to change the unit into gigabyte or GB and set it into GB. Once you're done, click on save, and in that way, you would be able to set a data limit. Okay, in my case, I have set it. So here, 15 days until reset. So on the 1st of May 2025, I would be able to reset my data usage here in your Windows or computer. Okay, so that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.